First of all, we are super proud that we can celebrate 100 years here in our Denmark-based business unit. I think, one of the things that comes to mind is that for a lot of companies, you can be successful for a decade or two, but to be successful for 100 years is something different. I would say throughout all these years, when we think about our 100 years of history, what is collectively a part of us is really innovation, it is quality products, and it's quality of life. We have had 76 years as a family business and 24 years with ITW, but we have maintained our core DNA. So I think it's a fantastic statement for the employees that we have in our division, and yeah, we are super proud of it, and we are celebrating it to the best of our capabilities. The strength of this company goes a long way back because it is really founded on the employees, the engagements, the motivation we have on our team, the knowledge that this team has been building up over many years. That is the main engine to success. And these things were there before the pandemic, during the pandemic, and after the pandemic. I think this, together with our unique ITW business model and some good strategies, is really the driver of our performance. In ITW, we have set ourselves very high sustainability targets as an industrial manufacturer. And speaking about our GSE division, we have this focus as well. We are ISO 14001 certified. And you can say our core products, ground power and electrified air conditioning systems, are already on this sustainability journey. Or we have our equipment installed in many airports around the world. And what is unique to us is that a lot of this equipment, ground power and preconditioned air, has a lot of power available and a lot of surplus power. And we believe that as a division in ground support equipment, we can play or we should be playing a significant role in this transition to more electrification in airport operations. So we are in a unique situation. We can contribute and we want to contribute to it. You can say I have been with this company for 25 plus years. Love this industry we are in. I think we are in an industry where many people stay around for a long time, and I'm one of them. So you can say it continues to be super exciting. It's an industry in growth and where innovation continues to play an important role. It's an industry where you have the opportunity to really work closely with your customers, learn about their pain points, see how can you help them to be better at doing what they are doing. And I would say most of all, I'm part of a wonderful team that I enjoy, and I enjoy being here. Yeah.